going on, you guys? As y'all saw on the title of the video, they're going to be talking about how to make mudding videos. I've been making mudding videos for almost 3 years now, and yeah, I've learned a lot. Whenever I first started, I'm sure I could have used a video like this, so I figured I should, make a video for you guys that are wanting to start making mud riding videos. And also a lot of you guys have commented on my videos asking, just different questions regarding, how to make mud videos, whether it be what kind of camera I'm using, just how to get started or what editing software I'm using, the list goes on and on. So yeah, hopefully this video can kind of summarize all that stuff up for you guys and answer all those questions that y'all have, and help you guys start making mud videos. So I split it up into 4 categories. Starting out with cameras in the first category, editing in the second category, what foiler you need to make videos in the third, and then just some advice to end it off in the 4th category, and just things that I think guys should know, and just some stuff to end everything off. The camera that's filming me right now is the Canon EOS M50. It is a DSLR camera, where the lens attaches and everything. It's pretty somewhat bulky camera, not too bulky, but it's definitely not compact. This is the camera that I vlog with, and the camera, that whenever I hop off the foiler and film people, or whenever Bailey's filming me, go through a hole. This is the camera that we're using. It's got the most quality shot and the best audio by far, but it has limitations like, it can't get wet, can get muddy, and it can't get, the point of view of me while I'm riding. And so that's where the GoPro comes into play. This is the GoPro Hero 7 Black. The GoPro that you use isn't very important, really, in my opinion. The only things that matter really are just that you get a GoPro that has the interchangeable battery. Just make sure that the battery can pop in and out of it, so that whenever you're riding, you can just take the dead battery out whenever it runs out and then pop a new battery in you have charged. Because out of the GoPro models they do make models that you can't, take that battery out of it. So whenever it's dead, you have to just recharge it. You can't just pop a new battery in it. And which is, in my opinion, very, very inferior whenever it comes to mud riding, because whenever you're on the trails, you're gonna be using up a good amount of battery life, and you don't have time to recharge that. And then just make sure that the GoPro, doesn't have to be in a waterproof case. I'm pretty sure that from the Hero 5 and up, they don't have to be in a waterproof case. So the Hero 4 and below, those are okay, but just the audio isn't going to be very good whenever you're riding, because you have to have that waterproof case on there. Yeah, the GoPro is a great camera though. You can vlog on it, and you can get great shots of people and not have to worry about, getting the camera muddy or getting it wet while people are, full sending right next to you. So yeah, the GoPro is a very, very, very important camera, I think, in making mud videos. But let's say you don't have point and shoot camera, a nice quality camera like that, and you don't have a GoPro. That does not mean you can't make mudding videos. A lot of guys message me saying that they don't have, a GoPro, or they don't have a nice camera to film or anything like that. But they do have a new iPhone. See, a lot of you guys probably have a new iPhone that you can use. They're HD, they've got great audio, you can zoom in and out, so you can vlog with your iPhone and you can take videos, while you're mud riding. You're not gonna be able to get that point of view shot, but you and your buddies can easily take turns filming each other and get a great mudding video out of it. I've got a good amount of videos that are on my channel that I've just filmed, with an iPhone. So until you can get that GoPro, use your iPhone, and you can make a lot of great videos. One creator, for example, that's been just using his iPhone for a while now and just recently got his first GoPro is Renegade. He got up to, I want to say, a little above 5,000 subscribers, with just using his iPhone, going riding, just pulling his phone out and filming whenever he needs to. So that's the bare minimum that you need, is just, an iPhone, or you can just have a GoPro. But obviously the best combo to have is, just to have the GoPro, in my opinion, for the point of view, and then you have, a nice camera like a DSLR or a point and shoot camera to film people riding and for vlogging and everything. And I also pick this thing up all the time and film with it whenever I need to. Come on. Yeah, I'd say editing is probably the most important part about all of this. And yeah, it's definitely the hardest part about it. I don't know how many hours I've spent editing in the past, 2 or 3 years. Each video probably takes around 5 to 8 hours for me to edit it. So yeah, I think editing is very, very important. The laptop I use to edit on is a MacBook Pro. I had a MacBook Air before, and the software that I use is iMovie. There really isn't anything I can tell you guys to help you guys out on editing. Editing is just kind of one of those things you got to put your hours in, and you know, you just kind of learn as you do it. You just got to do it and just keep on making videos and try to get better at them. You know, every video that you do, every video that you make, try and get, you know, better and better at editing, and just work on it and work on it and work on it. The only real advice I can give for editing is just, yeah, humans are really hard to keep entertained these days. The best advice I can give, so just make sure that, you know, your videos are as entertaining as possible. The main thing is just trying to keep them not boring. You can get a MacBook on Amazon refurbished, I'm pretty sure, for around like 400, 500 bucks. And if you can't get a MacBook now, you can just record on your iPhone and edit the videos in iMovie, and then just upload the video, you know, on YouTube, just on the YouTube app. So yeah, it's really easy to make videos and edit and everything these days, you guys. Y'all gotta remember, it's 2021 now. So yeah, everything's right here at the, you know, tips of our fingers. Come on, boys, come on. Probably the biggest misconception about making mud riding videos is that, you know, you've got to have the best four-wheeler out there, or the most popular four-wheeler out there to get, you know, good views on YouTube and everything. And whenever I was starting out, you know, I kind of thought this too, which is really easy to think this, you know, whenever you're first starting out and everything. Yeah, it's really just not the case at all. I got to, I want to say 15 or 20K subscribers on YouTube and was maintaining, I want to say it was like 20K views a video. But what I'm saying is, I had a successful YouTube channel, you know, with that, just the Honda Rancher, which isn't, you know, the most popular new, you know, awesome four-wheeler out. But for example, ATV out of Canada, I'm pretty sure he started on a King Quad. You know, who you know that rides a King Quad? That's right, nobody. No hate on King Quad owners, but that just goes to show, you know, you don't really need to have the most popular four-wheeler everything to get views on YouTube and to, you know, be a successful, you know, mud YouTuber and everything. So yeah, you don't need, you know, the best four-wheeler out there and everything, but you do need four-wheel drive for sure, some decent mud tires. I definitely recommend throwing a snorkel on her. You don't have to have a snorkel on her, but definitely recommend throwing a snorkel on her too. But that's really it, you know, just for the four-wheeler wise, all you need. I'm just gonna give you guys some advice, some tips that I've learned along the way, and also some GoPro mounts too. Just, you know, I'll talk about just the GoPro mountain situation, and you know, how I like my point of view looking at everything, because I've ran, you know, the GoPro on my chest, on the head strap, and on my helmet now, so I can kind of tell you which one's better. But anyways, so number one though, just the number one piece of advice for sure is just don't give up. That's the main thing. I remember whenever I was around like 200 or 300 subscribers and the channel was just really stagnant. You know, subscribers weren't going up really at all. I was posting a lot of videos, you know, really frequently and everything, but it was just staying pretty stagnant. And I remember, you know, being in class and talking to my buddies about just, you know, how the channel wouldn't really do anything, and I was just really starting to get discouraged and everything. They told me, you know, just to keep on going, and that's how, you know, all the YouTubers, that's how it goes really, for real, you know what I mean? The YouTubers are successful are the ones that didn't quit. YouTube's not easy at all, and it's not hard to get, you know, discouraged if you don't, you know, get those views. But yeah, the main thing is just, you know, don't give up, you know, continue to put out videos, and instead of getting discouraged, just figure out, you know, what you need to do to your videos to make them more appealing, and to make YouTube push them out to, you know, the browse features and make, you know, people want to watch your videos and everything. So just figure out, you know, what you need to change, and just don't give up. Another thing is just go for quality. I can't stress out enough, instead of going for quantity and just, you know, pushing out a lot of videos, just try and maintain quality. That's the main thing that I, you know, just went for from the beginning. The main thing is just, you know, putting out as many videos as possible without sacrificing quality. So, you know, if you can meet quantity with quality and, you know, maintain that quality in your videos, then post as much as possible, pretty much. And then my third piece of advice that I think matters the most is you can't care about what people think. Whenever I was starting out the channel and everything, or whenever I was just starting to record on the, you know, just putting the GoPro on my head and going, you know, riding and everything and filming, you know, that wasn't the easiest thing, just because, you know, you're looking like an idiot. I remember whenever I first started out, I thought I looked dumb, you know, with the GoPro on my head, and I just, you know, it took me a little bit to get used to it and everything. But the main thing is just do not worry about that at all. So definitely get that out of the way. Just care about what people think. And then, yeah, mounting the GoPro. My favorite mount is gonna be on the helmet. You know, for the point of view shot. I like mine facing upside down and just mounted with the sticky mount, the flat sticky mount to the, you know, bottom of the lid of the helmet. Yeah, I used to just do the head strap, but the thing about the head strap is every time you put it on, you have to adjust it, you know, and get the GoPro app out and everything and make sure it looks great. And, you know, it's just a hassle, and every time you take it off, you have to readjust it and make sure it looks good again. But if it's on the helmet, then it's just on there. You know what I mean? It's in the fixed position that you know that it needs to be in, and you can take it off and film with the helmet. I do that all the time. Yeah, I love how it is. So I definitely recommend the GoPro being on your helmet the most. And if you don't want to wear a helmet, the head strap is a great option also. I did the chest mount for a little bit. I think I did it for like a couple of videos. But the thing about the chest mount is while you're riding, you know, and you're looking around, you're looking at your tires, and you're looking at all these different things that you want to be in the video, the GoPro's just sitting right here and not, you know, you don't see anything you're looking around at. That's the thing I didn't like, and then also the angle just wasn't as good as I think, you know, it being on your head. So yeah, I think that's gonna wrap up this video. I'm glad I got to make it. I've been wanting to make this video for a while for you guys. I hope this video answered all y'all's questions and helped y'all out a lot on making mud riding videos. I want to see y'all's channels pop up left and right. I'm already seeing them pop up, you know, every day more and more. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Be sure to comment down below and let me know if y'all have any more questions that I didn't answer. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't yet. Like this video, share it with your buddies, and I'll see you on the next one.